Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Lisa with Next Up is Lisa. Last night I came across a quick pumpkin bread recipe on Pinterest and I made it and everybody loved it. So here I am in the kitchen again tonight making another pumpkin bread recipe. Since it was so good, I thought I would share it with you. If you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna start with 1 cup of granulated sugar. If I can get it open. And the recipe calls for a 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. I don't have light brown. I generally use dark brown sugar, so that's what I'm going to use today, and it is exactly what I used yesterday. So whenever, unless the recipe doesn't tell me to, I always will pack my brown sugar. Okay. And I am going to use 1 3/4 cup of flour, and I'm just measuring it, spooning it into my cup over here. Let me pull it so you can see what I'm doing. And then leveling that off. That's 1. And here is 3/4. Okay. Okay. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. So I'm just gonna eyeball this. And then 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice. And hold on, I didn't get my whisk. Give me 1 second. Okay, and you're supposed to mix all of this up together. Basically, it's just all of your dry ingredients that we're mixing together. Making sure that I'm making sure that the sugar is kind of broken up for ease of further mixing. And then it says to make a well in the middle and pour everything else in. So the next things that are asked for is 3/4 cup of pumpkin, and then 2 large eggs beaten. I've already beaten these, but I'm going to beat them a little more. A 1/2 cup of flavorless oil. For this particular one, I'm using canola oil. And then 1/3 cup of water, which I have here. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. That's how easy it is. So now, actually I think let me go back to my whisk for a second and whisk everything together. Now you're supposed to mix it until it's just mixed. You're not supposed to over mix it, but it takes a little bit to get everything together, or rather incorporate it. Okay, so now that things are mixed a little bit, I'm going to switch to my spatula. I'm scraping along the sides and down at the bottom to make sure that everything is incorporated. Okay, so here's my pan. I've already oiled it, and I'm going to just pour the batter in here. So this was so good. My son came over today and I said, I cut you some pumpkin bread. Oh, I'm not that excited about pumpkin bread is what he said. Then a couple hours later, he called me back. I was like, Ma, can you make some more of that? So, that's why I'm in the kitchen today. Again, it's the easy recipes that are delicious. And so that's that. Let me clean up because of course I made a mess, and I'm just going to I'm going to bang it a couple of times.